Hey everyone! Today I'm bringing you an incredible story about someone who's truly made a mark in the entertainment world, Mia Malkova. Now, if you're not familiar with Mia, she's a well-known name in the adult film industry, but her journey to fame has been anything but ordinary. Born on July 1st, 1992, Mia grew up in California. From a young age, she dreamt of becoming a star, but her path was unconventional. Mia started out working in the food industry, with stints at McDonald's and Sizzler. But she always knew she was destined for something more. In 2012, she took a bold step and entered the adult film industry at the age of 19. It wasn't long before her natural talent and striking looks caught the attention of major producers. Her rise to fame was meteoric. Within just a few years, Mia became one of the most sought-after performers in the industry, winning numerous awards and accolades. But what really sets her apart is her ability to connect with her fans on a personal level. She's always been open about her life, sharing her highs and lows, and that authenticity has won her a loyal following. But Mia's talents don't stop there. She's also a skilled dancer and has appeared in mainstream projects, including the 2018 documentary God, Sex, and Truth, which explores philosophical themes through her personal experiences. Her versatility and willingness to step out of her comfort zone have made her a true icon. Mia is also an advocate for mental health and body positivity. She uses her platform to encourage others to embrace their true selves and to seek help when needed. It's this compassionate side of her personality that fans adore. And let's not forget, Mia has a strong presence on social media, where she shares snippets of her life, fitness routines, and interacts with her followers. Her transparency and genuine nature make her more than just a performer. She's an inspiration to many. So, that's Mia Malkova for you, a dreamer, a performer, and an advocate. Her journey from humble beginnings to international fame is a testament to her hard work and resilience. She's proof that with determination and a bit of courage, you can achieve your dreams, no matter how unconventional the path may be. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring stories.